It was just past 9 p.m. when Harold stood in front of his refrigerator, staring blankly. He had eaten a healthy dinner hours ago, but now, a strange combination of fatigue and restlessness settled over him. His legs felt weak, like they hadn't recovered from yesterday's short walk. And yet, he wasn't truly sleepy. Why still, when he finally crawled into bed, he tossed and turned for hours. What Harold didn't realize is something that affects millions of seniors over 60. Muscle loss and poor sleep are deeply connected, and both can be silently worsened by what you eat, or don't eat, before bedtime. But the good news: there are natural foods that can nourish your muscles, calm your nervous system, and help you drift into deep, healing sleep. And today, I'm going to show you 4 simple natural foods you can eat at night that do exactly that. These aren't magic pills. They are backed by science, and they can make all the difference in how strong, energetic, and rested you feel, even as you age. So let's dive in. After the age of 60, your body begins to lose muscle at a faster pace, a condition known as sarcopenia. You may notice that climbing stairs feels harder, your arms feel weaker, or that after a short walk, your legs ache more than they used to. At the same time, many seniors struggle to get quality sleep, which is absolutely crucial for muscle recovery, hormone balance, and even memory. What most people don't know is that what you eat before bed plays a massive role in both of these areas. Certain foods actually support the release of natural growth hormones, help regulate blood sugar during sleep, and provide your muscles with the amino acids they need to rebuild. Other foods may spike insulin, inflame your joints, and leave your muscles starved overnight. So today, I want to walk you through 4 of the best nighttime foods that can fuel your muscles and promote restful sleep naturally. These aren't fads. They are simple, whole foods that your body understands. And I've saved the most powerful one for last. So stay with me. Before we jump in, comment yes if you eat before bed, and NO if you avoid it. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Clap, where we share weekly science-backed health tips specifically for seniors. Number 4. Tart cherry juice. Let's begin with something that's not only delicious but also incredibly powerful: Tart cherry juice. Now, you might think of cherry juice as just a sweet drink, but for older adults, it can be a natural remedy for better sleep and muscle recovery. Tart cherries are one of nature's richest sources of melatonin, the hormone that signals your body when it's time to sleep. As we age, melatonin levels naturally decline, which is one reason why many seniors struggle with falling asleep or staying asleep through the night. A small glass of Tart cherry juice before bed can gently support your body's natural sleep rhythm, without the need for pills or supplements. But the benefits don't stop there. According to a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, adults who drank Tart cherry juice every night enjoyed longer and more restful sleep than those who didn't. That's impressive on its own, but there's even more good news. Tart cherries are packed with powerful compounds called anthocyanins. These are natural antioxidants that help fight inflammation and reduce muscle soreness. So if you've spent the day walking, gardening, or even doing some gentle stretching, this juice can help your body repair and recover during sleep. It eases the oxidative stress that builds up over time and supports healthier aging muscles. Just one tip: always choose 100% unsweetened Tart cherry juice, not the sugary cocktail blends. About 4 to 6 ounces, taken 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime, is all you need to start noticing the difference. It's tasty, calming, and backed by science, making it a simple yet powerful bedtime ritual for better sleep and stronger muscles. Number 3. Greek yogurt or skyr. Now let's talk about something creamy, comforting, and surprisingly powerful for your muscles: Greek yogurt, or even better, Icelandic skyr. Why are these dairy options so special, especially for older adults? The secret lies in their high content of casein protein. Casein is a slow-digesting protein, which means it delivers a steady stream of amino acids to your muscles throughout the night. That's incredibly important, because after the age of 60, your body's ability to build and repair muscle naturally begins to slow down, even if you're eating well during the day. When you have casein-rich foods before bed, your body gets a gentle, sustained source of protein that supports muscle recovery and maintenance while you sleep. In fact, research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming casein before bedtime boosts muscle protein synthesis overnight, especially in older adults. In simple terms, it helps your muscles stay stronger as you age. But the benefits don't stop there. Yogurt also contains probiotics, the friendly bacteria that keep your gut healthy. And when your gut is healthy, everything from digestion to immune function and even sleep quality improves. That's because your gut plays a key role in producing hormones like serotonin and melatonin, both of which help regulate your sleep cycle. Want to make it even better? Try adding a small handful of chopped almonds or walnuts. They provide healthy fats and a natural source of magnesium, a mineral that helps your muscles relax and supports deeper sleep. We'll talk more about magnesium-rich foods shortly. For the best results, go with plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt or skyr. If you like a little extra flavor, you can drizzle in a bit of raw honey or sprinkle some cinnamon, which not only tastes great but also helps regulate your blood sugar overnight. It's a simple, soothing snack that truly works with your body, not against it, while you rest. If this is helpful so far, give this video a quick thumbs up. It helps more seniors find this kind of content. And let me know in the comments, have you tried Greek yogurt or Tart cherry juice before bed? Did it help? Number 2. Pumpkin seeds. Now let's move on to a food that's small in size but packed with powerful nutrients. Pumpkin seeds, also called pepitas. Don't let their size fool you. These little seeds are a nighttime superstar, especially for older adults looking to sleep better and support their muscles. One of the biggest reasons pumpkin seeds are so valuable is because they are one of the best natural sources of magnesium. This essential mineral plays a key role in relaxing your muscles and calming your nervous system, both of which are crucial for deep, restful sleep. Many seniors unknowingly have low magnesium levels, and that can show up as leg cramps, restless legs, or trouble falling asleep at night. But there's more to pumpkin seeds than just magnesium. They are also a great source of tryptophan, an amino acid your body uses to make serotonin and melatonin, the very hormones that help regulate your mood and sleep cycle. That means a small serving of pumpkin seeds in the evening could help your body naturally prepare for sleep without relying on medication. And here's another bonus. Pumpkin seed provides zinc and iron, two minerals that help keep your immune system strong and ensure your muscles get enough oxygen. That's especially helpful if you're trying to stay active and maintain strength as you age. A small handful, about 1 ounce, or roughly 2 tablespoons, an hour before bed is all you need. You can eat them raw or dry roasted. Just make sure they are unsalted and not coated in sugar. For an easy upgrade, sprinkle them over a bowl of yogurt, or mix them with a little cinnamon and honey for a soothing bedtime snack. It's a simple habit that can make a big difference in your sleep, your recovery, and how energized you feel the next day. Number 1 is banana with almond butter. And finally, let's end with one of the most comforting and effective bedtime snacks. Half a banana with a spoonful of almond butter. It's simple, it's soothing, and it's packed with benefits for your sleep and muscle health. So why is this combo so powerful? Let's start with the banana. It's a natural source of gentle carbohydrates, and those carbs actually help tryptophan, an amino acid, cross into your brain. That's important because tryptophan is what your body uses to produce serotonin and melatonin, the two hormones that help you feel calm, relaxed, and ready for sleep. Bananas also provide potassium and magnesium, two essential minerals that help relax your muscles and prevent nighttime cramps, something many seniors deal with on a regular basis. Now add almond butter to the mix, and you've got a beautifully balanced snack. Almond butter brings in healthy fats, plant-based protein, and extra magnesium, all of which help support stable blood sugar and muscle recovery during the night. That's especially important because low blood sugar during sleep is a common reason many older adults find themselves waking up at 2 or 3 in the morning, wide awake and unable to fall back asleep. This snack helps solve that. It gives you a steady, slow-burning source of energy that keeps your blood sugar stable and your nervous system relaxed all night long. Just make sure you're using natural almond butter, with no added sugar or processed oils. And for most people, half a banana is just right, enough to be satisfying, without feeling too heavy before bed. It's a small, comforting habit that gives your body exactly what it needs: the nutrients to rebuild muscle, the minerals to relax your muscles and mind, and the balance to sleep soundly until morning. The best part: these are all simple, natural, and easy to prepare. You don't need to completely change your diet or follow any complicated routine. Just try adding 1 or 2 of these bedtime foods into your evening. Start small, and give your body the gentle support it's been asking for. With just a little consistency, you'll start to notice real changes: deeper sleep, fewer nighttime wake-ups, and better muscle strength and recovery as the days go by. Because here's the truth: your body wants to heal. It wants to rebuild, to stay strong, to keep moving. All it needs is the right fuel at the right time, and bedtime is one of the most powerful opportunities to give it that fuel. Which of these foods are you excited to try first? Or do you have your own bedtime routine that helps you sleep better or feel stronger in the morning? Share your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. And don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Clap for more weekly videos on senior health, nutrition, and natural ways to stay active, energetic, and well. Until next time, take care of your body, and it will take care of you.